Hello everybody. Nina here from Ajayasthru Guru, your guide to the world of commodities. Today, on the 31st of May 2024, we are zeroing in on a market that's been on fire lately, cotton. China, the world's largest textile producer and consumer, is sending ripples through the global cotton industry. Recent data from April reveals a fascinating trend. China's cotton imports, while down slightly compared to March, still show a staggering surge year-on-year. This insatiable demand for the fluffy white fiber is a story you need to understand, especially if you are an investor looking for opportunities in the commodity markets. Let's break down the numbers. In April alone, China imported over 343,000 metric tons of cotton. While that's a dip from the previous month, it represents an astounding 309% increase compared to April of last year. This tells us that even with a slight monthly fluctuation, the overall demand trajectory is steeply upward. Zooming out to the bigger picture, China has already imported over 1.3 million metric tons of cotton in the first 4 months of 2024. That's an eye-popping 262% increase compared to the same period in 2023. We are talking about a massive influx of cotton flooding into China. Now, you might be wondering, what's behind this insatiable thirst for cotton? Well, it's a multifaceted story. We are seeing a resurgence in China's domestic textile industry, driven by both recovering demand at home and a need to replenish depleted stockpiles. Additionally, global supply chain disruptions have added a layer of complexity, making China even more eager to secure its cotton supply. Let's talk suppliers. Two countries are reigning supreme in this cotton bonanza, Brazil and the USA. They're the kings of the cotton hill, supplying a combined 82% of China's imports. Brazil leads the pack, accounting for nearly half of China's April intake. And get this, their shipments to China have skyrocketed by over 2,000% compared to last year. The USA, while slightly behind, is also enjoying a significant boost in exports to China, exceeding 100% growth year-on-year. So, what's the takeaway for you, the savvy investor? The surge in China's cotton imports has far-reaching implications. It's putting upward pressure on cotton prices globally, which could present opportunities in the commodity markets. But it also means you should be closely watching related markets like textiles, apparel, and even oil, as cotton plays a role in those sectors too. And remember, global supply chains are still in flux, which can inject volatility into cotton prices. China's cotton story is a fascinating one, and it's far from over. The decisions made in Beijing are shaping the global cotton market, and the ripple effects are being felt worldwide. Stay tuned to Ajayasthru Guru for ongoing analysis as we continue to track this dynamic situation. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investing, and we are here to equip you with the insights you need to make informed decisions. Don't miss our next video. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update.